Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email on the Mercari app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your email. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Mercari app. Next, click on Profile on the bottom right-hand corner. Afterwards, click on Settings towards the bottom-hand side, and then click on Edit Account. So this is where you could actually go ahead and change your email and also change your password. Afterwards, enter your new email and your password, and then click on Save Changes. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your email on the Mercari app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.